Hi, my name's Adrian Mouritz. I'm the Executive Dean of Engineering at RMIT, and welcome to EnGenius 2019. EnGenius is our showcase event for our graduating engineering students, and what they do at EnGenius is they present a project normally sponsored by industry to solve a real-world problem, and they showcase that to students, industry, the public and to the university. It's a fantastic event for students as well as for industry.
So I think it's really important for industry to come to events like this. Students have been working for the last year and they've made some really amazing findings which industry could potentially utilise, and also maybe even employ some of the students who are showcasing their work today.
Has been an incredible experience, being honest. I'm super glad to be here and I'm kind of honored to be here as well. The projects I have seen are amazing. The mix of engineering is one of the parts that impressed me the most.
It's very inspiring to be here and be impressed by the projects that they're doing, but also to just invest that time in the talent of the future. I mean, these are our employees of the future, and we've got to invest the time to help them and become as good as they can be for our future industries.
It's important that the students get to discuss their project with industry, because industry can help to temper what they're doing with the reality.
And when you really put it in context that these are fourth year students and they're putting all of what they've learned over the course of their engineering degree into practice and something really applied, I'm really impressed.
EnGenius really relies on industry, and we really value the support, the sponsorship, the engagement from our wide range of industry partners, and we want to grow it even further. And we encourage any industry, no matter how big, how small, to engage with EnGenius if they can.
This has been so well organised. It's such a big event, but to have done it in such a coordinated way has been really impressive.